Hi guys, Dan Stollers here. Happy Monday to you all. I hope you've all had a really nice morning. So let's kickstart the week. It is day 3 of Guess Dan's coin. This one is a little bit different to the normal Guess Dan's coin, as you don't actually get to see this coin at all until somebody guesses it correctly. The good news is, every day that goes by, 1 or 2 coins will get added to the prize pot. It is an Olympic theme, so far now there is 5 Olympics in that prize pot for 1 lucky winner. There is going to be a new clue, which means you get a new guess then today. If you haven't yet guessed yet, all you need to do is put the value of the coin, the year the coin was made, and if there is a commemorative design on the back of the coin, what design that is. For example, it could be a 2018 50p featuring the Flopsy Bunny. So then it's time to reel through the clues and add the new clue today. So the coin is currently in UK circulation. The coin was made from before the year 2000. The coin is not a £2 coin, and it's also not a 10p coin as well. So I'll go through them one more time. The coin is currently in UK circulation. It was made from before the year 2000. It's not a £2 coin, and also it's not a 10p coin as well. Get those guesses below then, guys. We need the year the coin was made, the value of the coin, and the commemorative design on the back. You've got until 8 PM this evening to get those guesses in the comments section below. Hopefully we do get a winner tonight. If not, there'll be a new clue and we'll get some more coins in that prize pot. Stay safe, have a really nice week. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.